the language everyone loved to hate, it just became the one the machines trust the most. This is TypeScript, and quietly, it's turning into the language of the future. And it's not developers dragging it there, it's the machines now writing most of your code. Look around. Most devs already write more TypeScript than JavaScript. Plain JS is becoming the assembly nobody admits to shipping. And switching costs you nothing. It's a strict superset of JavaScript, so it runs everywhere JavaScript already runs, which is everywhere. Next, Astro, SvelteKit, Angular. Every framework worth using now starts you in TypeScript by default. The type path is just the easy path. Here's where the machines fall in love. Rename one type, and every place you broke it lights up red. An agent can refactor a 100,000-line repo and actually survive. When a model hallucinates a method that doesn't exist, the type checker catches it instantly. No tests, no runtime, no guessing. AI invents a dot something that was never real, doesn't compile. And the compiler hands that agent a sub-second feedback loop. Write, error, fix, repeat, forever. Never tired, never annoyed. Bring in Zod, and one schema both writes the prompt and validates the answer. The model's output gets type-checked the instant it lands. And this isn't a hunch. In one study, forcing the AI to obey the type system cut its compilation errors by more than half. Types don't just guard the model, they make it measurably smarter. So here's the take. The language of the future isn't some shiny new toy. It's the boring typed one we already had. It always has been. TypeScript won. The machines decided. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.